Hi guys, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, youtube.com/happy visas. Today I'm going to be speaking about getting a British education, the benefits and what you need to do to apply, like the ins and outs. First thing is new rules from July 20th this year, 2021, is you can work for 2 years after graduation. So once you've graduated from university, you can work for 2 years. You're also allowed during your course, if you're at undergraduate level, you're allowed to work 20 hours a week. If you're not at that level, like you're doing some course in cooking or something like that, then you're allowed to work 10 hours a week. And during the holidays, you can work 40, 50 hours per week. So that's a huge benefit that, you know, there's a lot of job offers. A lot of people want to work in the UK, and we need, because of Brexit and things like that, we really need staff in the UK. So there's a lot of job opportunities that you can do while in the UK. Now, the downside is that for British education, it's not cheap. You know, you expect to pay anything from £12,000 or £13,000 up until about £25,000. It's not cheap. Throw on top, you need to demonstrate, depending whether you're in London or out of London, approximately £12,000 to show maintenance, to show that you can support yourself once you're in the UK. That must be shown on the bank account for 28 days. And if your parents are going to sponsor your trip and they're paying for it, then you need a birth certificate and you need a letter from them saying that these funds are available for you, and you need their original bank statements or a stamp of the bank. Now, so the benefits are you can work while you're studying at university. You can also work after, once you've graduated for 2 years. That's if you graduate, obviously, and you pass all your exams. That's a huge benefit. Also, you become fluent in English. Obviously, everybody is looking for staff around the world that speak English, whether it's a simple English teacher, whether it's working in a bank. And your diploma is internationally recognized. In other words, it's recognized in most countries in the world. So there's a lot of benefits of a British education. Also, Britain is a great country to live in. If you go into a private school and you go into a boarding school as a child, or you're living an independent life in somewhere like Leeds, let's say you're 18 years of age, it's got a lot of social things that you can do, a lot of things that people can do. But again, we're getting back to that point where it's a British education is very expensive. It's a lot of initial upfront fees that you must find, but obviously when you've got a diploma, you can go back to Russia or Ukraine or India or Pakistan or wherever you've come from, and that diploma will get you in your home country, hopefully, a much better job. If you need any help finding universities or schools for your children, if you need any advice, please feel free to drop me a line. I can also help with the visas. I do all the Tier 4 visas. I have many Tier 4 students who I help the visas with. Please also drop me a line and I'll happily help you complete your visa. My fees are very low because I'm the web's favorite immigration advisor, especially with COVID-19 now. It's so much simpler and so much easier just to work over the internet. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Please drop me a line if you need any help or advice. Thank you.